Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening R or RStudio and immediately checking your version so you know available features. Once done, set the working directory to the project folder so file paths are predictable. Use settled, path, or choose via the dialog. Next, load required packages and install any missing ones. Install. Packages pkg, then library pkg. This gets your environment ready, avoids path errors, and ensures reproducible commands as you start typing code. You now import and inspect data to understand structure and issues. Use read, CSV, or faster read/reader functions. Choose based on file size. Once imported, run SDR, summary, head, and dim to spot types, missing values, and row counts. When writing code, place commands in an R script and run chunks interactively. Source script. R or send lines to the console. This keeps commands reproducible and lets you rerun analyzes without retyping, saving time when iterating. You wrap up by exporting results and documenting what you did so others can reproduce it. Save objects with save RDS or save. Image, export tables via write. CSV, and capture package state with session info. If you need a report, knit an R markdown file. If something fails, read the error message carefully, run traceback to find the problematic call, and restart R to clear state. Make sure to reinstall or update packages only if errors persist. This completes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.